Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing green juicing for just overall health, well-being, and feeling amazing. Green vegetables are packed full of vitamins and minerals and soluble fiber that's important for our diet, but it's hard to get the right amount of green vegetables on a daily basis, so doing juicy is an excellent way to supplement your diet. So I've got celery stalks with the leaves still on, full-size cucumber, a large green apple cut into quarters, a lemon cut in half, and lastly, a nice big bowl of dark leafy spinach. Go over to the juicer and juice this up and show you what it looks like. There it is. Delicious, healthy, wonderful, fresh green juice. I always put a lemon in with my juice, leaving the rind on. Lemon rind is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, so it's great to just juice the whole lemon as it is, and it'll give a nice flavor to your green juice. Guys, drink this regularly. You're going to feel amazing. Notice tons of health benefits. Thanks for watching. I'm Gabriel in the kitchen. Peace out.